This nonsense must stop. You can handcuff me, but this nonsense will have to stop. You must close my mouth if you want. I will not keep quiet. I will not keep quiet. I will not allow this nonsense to continue. I will not allow this nonsense to continue. You will not proceed. Nonsense. You will not proceed. Nonsense. You are making a nuisance of our country. We shall not allow this. We shall not allow this nonsense. It will not continue. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Nonsense, nonsense. We cannot allow this. We cannot allow this. We shall not allow this. We will not allow this. We are not going to allow this. Nonsense, nonsense, nonsense to continue. We shall, everything must have a stop. We must stop it. You cannot continue raping the Constitution. No way. You will not rape the Constitution. And we allow it. We fought to establish a Constitution. So,
with Dr. Kizza Besigye, with Frank Kahiri, and Joel Wakahima.
Sijadingo tele kesi.